Huh. And I think in having we can't use this kind of condition, right? Department is equal to HR. Can we do that?
No, no, can't be.
Okay. So there
I
is
guess we can do uh, no, there
No,
are two
having
functions like we used in Tableau, Python, and SQL. That's how we use no having function. This thing count.
no having actually we can't use that where can the department equal to HR in having clause.
let's just give it a try. Okay, we'll try to do some just check it if it will help us to filter um, strings.
Yeah,
Okay.
guys, and one more thing I thought to discuss with you guys. Actually,
Huh.
I received one email. It's
Okay.
like something. One second, I'll take that email. Actually, the target SQL intro it is on Saturday, March 11th. So
Hmm.
I received the email. So you guys also received that email actually.
Yeah, Satya. Actually, Tanisha told that for the curriculum or for the syllabus, they are sending us email so that we don't miss our classes.
So what is the timing of that? Ammon actually for you?
It's written 7:30 to 9.
Okay, in the subject line it is mentioned the timing of 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Right?
That is for the business case. Like
Oh,
we have to solve a project. Maybe we get it in our dashboard after a class or two.
which email was that? This one.
Yeah,
Uh,
This one you're talking.
yeah, Robin.
yeah.
So what is this? I think I did not check this. A business case target to SQL intro. Okay, it changed to Saturday.
Yeah, they will give us a project on
Huh.
which we have to work, and for the project details, they will take a session on Saturday at 7:30 to 9 p.m.
Okay,
To tell us
okay.
how to solve or how to work on that project.
Nice. I think it's good. Let's see what happens. uh, okay. Mm,
But for my case, it's like a showing in subject line. The timing is showing like a 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. But inside the mail, it is mentioning like also 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. only.
oh, I don't
So maybe
know. Mm,
they are conducting it in a batches.
mm,
Maybe yeah.
okay. So now we have this. Okay, we'll just do a group by first. Okay. Uh, let me remove the group by. I think. Let's check all the columns that we can group. Um, I think we can group based on the. I think salary is not there. Yeah, it is there. I think yeah. I think we can group based on manager. Okay, group by manager ID. Okay, and then um, yeah, I think it will be grouped. I think okay. I think all the columns cannot come. All right, it is not aggregated. So manager ID, group by manager ID. So I think I'll get all the unique manager
But
IDs.
Robin, when we are using D star in our query, it is working now. So why it is not working here?
Because there are more columns and there are salary. For that, I have not mentioned any aggregation. Okay,
Um,
other things will directly come because they are like strings. But if there are some integers, we have to mention some kind of aggregation in the select.
okay, okay.
So, okay, now if I simply put salary, yeah, I don't think it will work. Okay, I have to mention some kind of aggregation. Okay, so I can simply put some. Okay, like that. Fine. So we can see the total salary some of manager wise for all the employees. Okay. Now I think we can try to do filter of string. Okay, we'll try to um, do it. First, we'll check out the columns. Okay, I think it will want some. So we'll put some kind of string condition. Okay, where um, what can I do? Something like wherever the name is starting with A, if I can do that. Okay, okay, he's joining again. Fine. So I'll put where uh, first name is equal to and then A and percentage. That should be like, and then uh, I think first name. Okay, let's see. I think I need to add in the group by.
Could remove star.
Oh yeah, that was the mistake. Okay, let's see if it will work like this. First name not aggregated. So if I just group, okay, so basically we have to group it or aggregate it. Okay, we can aggregate only the integers and group we can do both. Okay, okay, I'll just show you one second. So here it's already aggregated and all the people starting with A is coming here, right?
Then why like manager ID is not aggregated? Oh, it's aggregated. Salary, yeah.
Okay. Now, wherever the name is starting with A, for that only we are getting the salary. Now we'll try if it will work with having, okay, or something like that. If I just put Adam only, having first name is equal to Adam. Okay, I think I'll just remove this. Do you think it will work? How many
Yes,
of you are saying yes and no?
yes, I think.
Okay, let's just check it. Yeah, it's working like the where clause.
Once Robin like if we don't group by just use distinct and like can we solve the that homework question?
Distinct. So
Yeah,
there is a difference in the distinct. Okay, the distinct will not aggregate the other columns.
yeah. Like without using group by, we will use where clause where salary is at least 9,000.
Okay, let's give it a try. But I think it won't come together. Okay, that is the feeling because distinct in the distinct. Okay, let's just try to do it here. Okay, select. Okay, manager, right?
Yes.
Okay, then from okay, we'll just copy this, or I'll just try to copy this here. Fine. Okay, so what you're saying where?
Where salary at least 9,000. That
Okay,
the old question, no?
yeah, salary is equal to
9,000
9,000, correct.
without
So
using group by.
yeah, and then you want me to put here distinct, right?
Yeah. Something like, yeah, like that. Just
Maybe
remove.
yeah, and then I'll remove the group by, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So we have this. Okay. Now I'll add the salary column, right? Correct. Let's just check it. And okay, I think we got the salary column, but it is not, showing you the aggregation.
Yeah, yeah.
It is showing only the salary of first row employee.
Yeah. It's saying to sum up right in the question.
Okay, if I just simply, type something like sum, let's just check what happens in that case. And
Same.
I think it's not allowing it because I think we need to group it.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes.
Okay, I think aggregation and grouping are like very much connected, and it's not allowing us to do it separately. But yes, we got the filter here, but I think we will not get all the details, right? But maybe
Yes.
yeah, we can get here I can see there are repeated department IDs, correct? But the question was different here.
रॉबिन व्हाट यू वर ट्राइंग टू डू वाज सम सैलरी राइट मतलब आप चाह रहे थे कि दो कॉलम आए एक सैलरी का नॉर्मल सैलरी एक सम सैलरी का ऐसा कुछ है
Yes, I was trying to
तो
just compare it. Yes.
सर तो फिर सम सैलरी एज सैलरी वन करके दे सकते हैं क्या मतलब उसको अगर एज के फॉर्मेट पे दे दे तो
No, no, that is simply we are changing the name, right? That is alias means renaming it.
हाँ
Nothing else will change. Okay.
डिस्टिंक्ट मैनेजर आईडी लिखा है तो मैनेजर आईडी डिस्टिंक्ट तो है ही, उसमें क्या मतलब है लिखने का?
ओ भाई थोड़ा
वो तो
मेरे
यूनिक होती है।
मेरे कान फाड़ दिए तुमने। ओ यार।
नहीं नहीं, मेरे को ट्राई करना था ना आज ब्रो, इसलिए
हाँ देखो वो
नहीं, हम
सब।
लोग ग्रुप यूज कर रहे हैं ना, तो ग्रुप की जगह हम
यस
लोग
यस थोड़ा वॉल्यूम कम
distinct-
कर लेता हूँ। अब आयुष आ गए तो देखो देखो कितने कम रखा है मैंने वॉल्यूम। 100 पे रहता है हमेशा मेरा।
ठीक
चल
है, चलो रहूंगा।
हाँ, चलो अब ये
3 दिन का तो इकट्ठा बोला
हाँ
ना।
यस यस
3 दिन का इकट्ठा बोला
यस
मैंने
यस यस
Lots of other questions.
so main thing we need to understand is distant में and group by में the difference is we cannot aggregate in distant. That's a
यस
problem. Okay, and we cannot put any other condition. Okay, it will only give us a single distant column. Another column will not be relevant. Okay.
एक सेकंड यू मीन टू से दैट मान लीजिए काफी कॉलम्स हैं नेम के और
हाँ
कुछ लोग कुछ रिपीट हो रहे हैं और
हाँ
उनके सामने भी कुछ नंबर्स लिखे हुए हैं राइट
हाँ राइट
जैसे जैसे राम श्याम रहीम ठीक है
हाँ हाँ
तो राम को 10 मतलब सबको 10-10 मिले फिर वापस राम श्याम रहीम फिर 10-10
हाँ
मिले मतलब देखा जाए तो राम को भी 20 श्याम को 20 रहीम को भी 20 ठीक है
यस
हमने जब डिस्टिंक्ट किया तब राम श्याम रहीम आएगा लेकिन उनके सामने वैल्यू क्या 10-10-10 मतलब 20-20-20 आएगी 10-10-10 आएगी
20 जो मतलब आई थिंक जो डिस्टेंट उठा रहा है वो है फर्स्ट रो
ओके
but mostly okay but here let's just try to um, कुछ और कॉलम या कुछ और ऐड करके देखते हैं तो
हाँ, क्योंकि अगर अगर मान लीजिए 10-10-10 आ रही है तो डिस्टेंट और ग्रुप में
now
यही अंतर है
see
कि वो 20 देगा ये 10 दे रहा है
now here I think distant one here I think I'll try to put in um, distant manager ID here distant आ नहीं रहा right
बट
it's
तो वही 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 बॉस मुझे लग रहा है ये आपने सही बोला ये ग्रुप नहीं करता है मतलब वो ऐड नहीं कर रहा है देखो आप
हाँ वो
शायद यही रीजन है
yes that it
लेकिन
will not aggregate हाँ adding is not happening
अच्छा अगर सिर्फ और सिर्फ अगर सैलरी का कॉलम नहीं होता और फिर मैनेजर आईडी होती तब तो ये उतनी ही मैनेजर आईडी दिखाता डुप्लीकेट ना लेके शायद राइट
Yeah, let us just check it. Okay, so I think
यस 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 क्योंकि 103
yeah,
कई बार था
right. So now we can see unique one. Okay, but abhi whenever we are adding some other columns, then I think it is not distinct.
Then it is not distinct क्योंकि वो सही है क्योंकि वो aggregate नहीं कर पा रहा है.
Yes, yes.
Not able to aggregate actually. Okay, fine. Okay, that's the difference between a group and
Yeah,
a
yeah.
list.
See, in the distinct, it has to be used alone to get a distinct value. That also there.
Robin, but see in the row number 2 and row number 3,
Huh.
manager ID is same, but first name is different.
Row number 2 and 3, right? Huh.
Yeah.
Because 100 is a manager for both of them.
Oh, okay,
That's the
okay.
manager ID. Yes. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine.
Okay. So if you want to see employee ID, then okay, I'll show you. Then just first email employee ID. Then okay. Okay, you got it?
Got it. Cool.
Yes, yes. Okay, let's just go back to the question. And here, I think, yeah. So we could not, use it according to the, and even the having also, group by having, what is the importance is that in the where clause, it will actually put the condition for full table. Okay, not like department wise. Okay, here the question is, according to the department wise. Understood?
Yep.
Okay. So that is where, after the grouping, whatever condition we are putting is, minimum salary in the department. Okay. If you put the same condition in the where clause, it will check minimum salary in the full table, not in each department. So that is the benefit of grouping. Okay. And if we are not doing the grouping, if we are the question is not according to department wise, we can simply remove this grouping and having, and we can directly put the where clause. Yes, understood.
Got it. When it is related to aggregation, then having will come in. If it
See,
is not, then
huh,
group.
okay.
Sorry,
See,
then where clause. Sorry.
no, no. I'll tell you. First of all, why we are using group by here?
Group by.
We can also uh, use this condition in the where clause, right? Correct. Why we are not
Yes.
doing it?
We are using group by here to get each department salary. Like there are HR department.
Actually, what we're trying to do is we are trying to do first option is like sorry, what we're doing is distant of department ID plus aggregation.
Hmm.
Okay, and when it comes to aggregation, then only having function can having
Yes.
function can be used.
So, no, aggregation
We are
is we are.
using we were using that grouper because it says that return all the columns, right?
You see, I'll tell you that we are using group by only because of this, one word here. Okay, this one. Okay, suppose this is not present in the question. Okay, suppose just remove this, where the salary of any employee at least 9,000. Correct. Then we can directly use the where clause. There is no need for aggregation. Aggregation we need only because we use group by. Otherwise, here we are not using any kind of aggregation.
इसमें वही डिपार्टमेंट की नेम इन्होंने मांगे हैं जिसमें सैलरी मिनिमम सैलरी 9,000 होनी चाहिए एम्प्लॉय की, उससे कम होगा तो वो डिपार्टमेंट काउंट नहीं करेंगे.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, right. So in that department, that means department wise we are doing the. Uh, okay, let's go back. Let's go to the. I think the third question. Okay, I think that will
Yes,
be
yes, third one.
because I think third one many people must have solved it. Okay,
Uh,
even somehow luckily I was able to solve it. Okay, so here the question is display the full name. Okay, I think we have used concat, and then who manages more than 4 employees or 4. For that, we have done the count of employee, okay, equal to or greater than 4. Return the column full name, employee, and the manager. Okay, so why we have used self join here? Can anyone tell?
To get the
This
employees
table,
manager ID.
It's only the employee table we
no,
are employee table.
manager ID and employee ID in same table, na?
Uh, See, manager ID and employee ID are in same table. So why we are
There is no
using
difference.
join? Yeah, why we are using join? Why can't we use it without, get the answer without join or self join?
You can use it from self join also, na?
Huh. But yes, so without the self join, how can we do it?
Hmm, subquery.
Subquery is also there. No, I just wanted to say why we have used self join. Okay, because
We are table the same table. No?
yeah, yes, okay, yes, can you speak?
Yeah,
Huh.
because we are using the same table
Yeah.
employee.
So self table we are using because what is happening is this employee table is actually the data of the from the point of view of employee, not from the manager point of view. This is not a manager table. This is employee table. Okay. So when we are using self join, okay, we are creating a manager table. Okay, and we are using that manager table whenever they are asking the detail of manager. We are creating a manager table.
नहीं वो तो ठीक है बट यहाँ पे तो इनर जॉइंट यूज कर रहे हो ना आप
हाँ, सेल्फ में तो सब सारा ज्वाइन चलेगा ना, कोई भी ज्वाइन यूज कर लो, लेफ्ट राइट इनर, इट विल गिव सेम रिजल्ट, देयर आर नो नल वैल्यूज.
ओके
Correct, everything will match now if I'm using the uh, manager id with the employee id. Okay, if there is a null value in manager id or employee id, then there might be some difference. Okay, if some employees are not having manager, then it will be
हम्म
different.
हम्म
Okay, then we can use some left join to get details of all the employees, like that.
ओके
Even with the null, which means we want the detail of employee who don't have manager also. So in that case we can use left join. Okay, but that will not work out because we need those employees who have manager, right? So that's why we are using it. So this
Rohan, you have
question,
write group by even manager ID.
uh,
Then after select, you have to also write na even dot manager ID. Hey, concat
you,
name. How we will display the name?
name, see, what is
Here
happening
you have
is,
display, but we have to write it on only after group by also na. Same thing we have to write after group by na for full name.
full name after group by
Hmm.
this one.
Hmm.
Oh,
Hmm.
see, I want to get the data according to manager ID only,
नहीं
and
तो
then this there will be only one single, row will be there, no, one column will be there. Okay, and there are no other one manager ID is also the full name of manager, same thing, correct? For one ID, there will be one name.
when we use the group clause, we have to write same thing whatever we write after select. If there is no aggregation in a clause. मीन्स मतलब मैं ये कह रहा हूँ सिलेक्ट के बाद जो भी लिखते हैं ग्रुप के बाद भी उतना ही लिखना पड़ता है सेम
नहीं नहीं, not
कॉमन यूज
required,
करना
not
पड़ता है
required always. Okay,
तो
हमें
एरर शो नहीं करेगा इसमें
yeah,
ग्रुप बाई के बाद लिखेंगे तो
yeah, it is not required always. Okay, so here you can see this is correct. We can just decide, how we want to do it.
अच्छा ये नहीं था
Hmm. Okay,
अरे
one second. ബേബി ഒന്ന് കൊണ്ടുപോയി അവിടെ കറണ്ട് ഡയറക്റ്റ് കണക്ട് ഉള്ളിൽ കൈയിട്ട് കറണ്ട് ബേബിയാണ് സീരിയസ് ഇത് ഓഫ് പോകുമ്പോ ഊരി പോണം. ഓക്കെ യെസ് ഓക്കെ 1 second ഇവനെ ബ്ലോക്ക് ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചേ. ശരിക്കും ബേബി. Okay, let's just go back to let's see which is the more easiest. Okay, I think this is done by 15 people, this is done by 12. So maybe the fourth one is more difficult. We'll solve the second one then. Okay, so I think this is how I was trying to do. Let's see what is the mistake. I think my coding is correct. Maybe the conditions are not right. Fine. So let's just
Then you
read
see
the
the
question. Write a query to find the customer ID and customer name that is there. Who bought product bread and milk? Okay, product name is equal to bread and milk and not equal to X. Since we want them to recommend. So this all condition should meet with an and. Okay, and then we have two table that I have done the joining here. Order table and customer table.
इनर जॉइंट इसलिए किया है क्योंकि हमें कुछ भी नल नहीं चाहिए.
Yes.
आपने असेंडिंग ऑर्डर पे ऑर्डर बाय नहीं किया इसलिए एरर आया होगा.
Oh, wait. So order by in ascending order, correct? So no need to mention it's by default ascending, correct? So that will not be the error. And here I think maybe there's some because my coding is correct. See, coding is
Robin, try writing having clause having count of product name greater than equal to 2. Like we have solved the same type of query in previous assignment. Na?
yes, right. Only with the two ID bought, okay, milk and did not. Okay, that is also right. But I think this query is also not bad actually. Yeah,
Okay, just go to query. Just go on day
I think
26 and for the question number 4. See, we have
okay.
used.
I'll just try to not use ChatGPT also. So maybe that will give us some kind of mm, okay. Fine. So this will be the query and table name and what else? Table name. Okay. Order table. Okay. Let's just see. To retrieve the result, you can use the following SQL query. So, oh my God. Okay. Let's just try to understand. So this is same. Okay.
इसमें आपने कहीं लिखा है कि जॉइन यूज करो कि ये खुद ही यूज करता है.
ये खुद ही यूज कर रहे हैं.
अच्छा, मतलब इसके लिए विंडोज के फंक्शंस नहीं है मतलब.
लॉजिकली डेंजर है.
So Windows function also it will give actually automatically.
अच्छा, और इसने ना ब्रेड और मिल्क की जगह और यूज किया है.
Yes. So let's just first of all check if this query is right or not. Okay. and then we can try to just remove this, and table names are correct. Let's just check it. Okay, there's some code problem. Protect MySQL. Okay, little bit changes required. Okay, it doesn't table my table protects.
ये
Okay,
जानकर
okay,
ये
order
जान के
order. हाँ,
भी गलती होती है
yeah, वो गलती तो होगी, right? Okay, I think I'll just
Robin, chat or GPT is wrongly mentioned the products.
these are the tables like that. First table and okay, second table, and what else? Uh, uh, Including column that will be call customer ID and customer name. Including column that will be order ID, customer ID, order ID, customer ID, product name. Okay, first table. Okay, this one. That I'll just let's just check it. Huh. So my and okay, let's just see copy and इसको रहने देते हैं. हाँ, it worked. Okay.
Provin, in your previous query, what you have written, why it is not working? I have one point where I don't know whether it is right or wrong. Can we discuss? Provin,
Yes, yes.
you go back to your query.
My ChatGPT.
What you no what you have written.
Oh, me. This was the.
Yeah. So here you written where product name equal to bread and product name equal to milk. Okay.
Right.
So for example, what SQL will do, first it will run first row. In the first row, it will map product name equal to bread.
Oh.
And the
correct.
same row can't be milk, right?
Yes, you are right.
That's the reason I think it will not work. Always.
Yes, I got it. My mistake was that I was trying to find in the same row. The product name will not be there. There will be only one product name in one row.
That's means
got it
So I think I should have used to join, then it would have worked. Okay, no, and yes. Okay, I think probably that's why they have done so many joins here. Okay, and like that. Okay, so let's just try to do that. Okay, let's just try to do the join. Okay, so I have already. So here, customer join, customer ID, order join, and customer ID. Okay. So 3 times this order has been joined to the customer ID. So let's just do it. I think this question is similar to there was one more question now, Python, Tableau, and SQL. Okay, it's like that actually.
In our previous assessment, there was some S1, S8, and iPhone. One more was there. It was
Right.
almost the same.
Yes, it is similar to that.
There only 2 products are there. Here 3 are there.
Yeah. There you remember there was Python, Tableau, and SQL, and
Yeah, given there.
that was also listed like this only. with
Correct.
candidate ID and skills. Okay,
Yes, yes.
yeah. So we'll just try to do it. First customer join on, we'll connect using the customer ID and equal to it. Customer ID of customer table equal to old customer ID. Fine. Okay. And we can also at the same time we can filter um, those customer ID, those who are having product. Okay, that will be o dot o dot product name equal to bread. Okay, so you guys understood this one?
नहीं 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 समझे भाई।
हाँ
पहले तो समझ में आ गया कि इनर जॉइन किया है, ठीक है, वो
हाँ
समझ में आ गया। फिर एंड प्रोडक्ट नेम इज इक्वल टू ब्रेड, ये क्यों किया और इसकी जरूरत क्या है?
दिस इज लाइक now अभी एक टेबल आएगा, so in that table we'll get the customers those who have bought bread.
ओके
Okay, so it is like a filter. Okay, if you can also put instead of and you can also put where clause. Understood? And clause and this will both work to same. You got it?
नहीं भाई, मैं मतलब मैं एक एक चीज मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ। मेरा जो कॉन्सेप्ट ये है, वो ये कहता है कि जो आपने फ्रॉम इनर जॉइंट ऑर्डर से किया है, मतलब कस्टमर इनर जॉइंट ऑर्डर से किया है,
ठीक है।
वो आपने एक टेबल बना दी है, राइट?
यस।
अभी अभी एक टेबल बन के तैयार है, ठीक है, जिसके अंदर कस्टमर आईडी और कस्टमर आईडी एक तरह से प्राइमरी और फॉरेन की है, ठीक है।
यस।
और फिर उसके बाद आपने उस टेबल के साथ एंड कर दिया ओ डॉट, तो ये क्या मतलब आपने कुछ और टेबल जोड़ी है इसके अंदर?
No,
ऐसा
no, no.
करके
It is just an additional condition. First condition, this is like a relationship condition. This is like you can say um, where O is equal to product name. Now you can understand this, right? ये तो समझ में आ रहा होगा. So
हाँ
this is and using the and is same.
हाँ
Both are same when we are doing the join.
अच्छा
So wherever
तो
we have that customer who bought bread, they will
हाँ
be included. Okay.
ओके
So people who did not bought bread, they will not be included in the table.
ओके
Okay.
ठीक है ठीक है।
Yes. And now again I'll so I got the customer who bought bread. Now I need the customer.
कस्टमर हो नीड मिल्क,
हाँ, milk. Okay. So
तो
something.
एंड फिर आएगा
Yes. Something I'll use like this. Again I'll create a joining. And here I'll do milk. And then I'll change the table name to something like O1, and again that will be connected to the uh, customer table, and then we have this, and now I'll try again to so far we have got both customers who bought bread and milk. Now we need to remove people who have not bought milk. Sorry, egg. I'll just try to do it.
भाई। ये इतने सारे जॉइंट आप कर रहे हो? अच्छा, किसी और को समझ में आ रहा है कि मेरा ही जूता खुल गया है तो समझ नहीं आ रहा है?
वेट यार।
पुनीत भाई बता देना यार,
हाँ
कल से
हाँ
मैं पढ़ता हूँ।
यस यस।
आपका हो गया पुनीत भाई पूरा?
नहीं नहीं, कहाँ हुआ? मैं तुम्हारे सामने ही क्या सवाल कर रहा हूँ, मुझे सवाल ही समझ नहीं आ रहा है, जवाब क्या मिलेगा?
रोहन भाई तो टॉपर है।
नहीं 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 यार, ये भी जस्ट जवाब तो नीचे को मिला हुआ है, बट दिस इज
Today you have class.
इतने सारे मतलब मुझे तो आज से पता है, एक ज्वाइन करते हैं, उस पूरी को एक टेबल में बनाते हैं, देन उसके
देखो
कंडीशन
क्यों होता है मैं बता देता हूँ। अभी बताने बैठूंगा तो टाइम निकल जाएगा. अभी इसको थोड़ा सा क्या होता है कि सी इन दिस टेबल वी हैव एवरीथिंग इन
हाँ
वन कॉलम और एक
बिल्कुल
ही रो में है. अभी हमें फिल्टर
हाँ
मारना है. वी नीड टू वी कैन ओनली फिल्टर ब्रेड मिल्क और ओनली वन प्रोडक्ट वी कैन फिल्टर राइट at a
बिल्कुल
time. Now
बिल्कुल
we need to filter if two product, then we have to separate and create a two product name column. That is only possible through join. Then we can filter two products.
अच्छा देखो मुझे ना वो चीज तो समझ आ गई थी कि ब्रेड और मिल्क हमने क्यों लिया था क्योंकि एक ही
हाँ.
कॉलम है एक कॉलम में एक ही चीज होगी तो ब्रेड
Yes.
और मिल्क को चूज कर लो और एग को हटा दो वो वाला क्वेरी मुझे पूरी समझ में आ गई
हाँ.
ये जो क्वेरी कर रहे हो आपने बताया कि पहले हमने दोनों टेबल को ज्वाइंट किया और उसके अंदर फिर हमने बोल दिया कि भाई प्रोडक्ट नेम को मतलब प्रोडक्ट नेम को ले लो मतलब ब्रेड है उसको ले लो ठीक है यहाँ तक समझ आया उसके बाद आपने फिर से एक जॉइंट मार दिया ये जो जॉइंट हो रहा है इस जॉइंट में क्या हो रहा है
इस जॉइंट में हम जो है नॉट इक्वल टू एग डाला है मैंने. एक बार ये ट्राई
अच्छा
करते हैं. हाँ तो जहाँ पे एग नहीं होगा वहाँ पे ये O1. ओके O1 यू नॉट यूनिक टेबल ऑर्डर्स ठीक है.
O1 O2 कर दो.
सी अच्छा ये तो मैं खुद अपना एक बार ट्राई कर रहा था. ठीक है. आई वाज ट्राइंग टू डू द सेम थिंग जहाँ पे ये चैट जीपीटी ने जो हमें जवाब दिया है. ओके सो यहाँ पे आई वाज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू डू एक्सपेरिमेंट हियर. यहाँ पे इन्होंने नल वैल्यूज को यूज करके उन्होंने एग वाले को हटा दिया. ओके आई थिंक यहाँ पे मैं एक बार ओके यहाँ पे ओके वन बाय वन करते हैं. So I think this one is clear, right, to everyone? Customer inner join order table.
हाँ ये तो पहला वाला तो ब्रेड वाला तो क्लियर है
Okay, now milk table same thing, correct?
अच्छा
It will create a um, first of all then there will be two product name column. Okay, from the O1 and from the O2. Okay, got it?
ओके
Okay, now in the third one also uh, they are doing the left join. Okay, not inner join. ठीक है. एक एग्जांपल के साथ करते हैं इसको. टेबल बना के टेबल शीट. We have only 5 minutes. तानिश सर की क्लास स्टार्ट होने वाली है. Just do it.
भाई अगर अभी नहीं कर पाए ना तो याद रखना ये जरूर करना है ये जो
हाँ.
कॉन्सेप्ट आपके दिमाग में ना वो जानना है क्या है ये
See, let's just do it fast. Okay. Um, uh,
3 मिनट की रहे हैं
yes. I'll just use this one only. Okay. One
हाँ
one one
कॉपी
two
किया
two five. Yeah. Okay. One two two three. Fine. And then milk, bread, butter, egg. Okay. Milk, bread, butter, egg.
जाओ मैं फोटो खींच लेता हूँ फिर बताता हूँ आपको
ठीक है.
एक
Bread and
मिनट
butter.
हाँ
Okay.
लिखो लिखो
Bread, egg and butter. Okay. Now
नहीं नहीं
this.
मिल्क मिल्क खा गए आप मिल्क खा गए
अच्छा मिल्क था.
पहले है पहले सबसे स्टार्टिंग में है ब्रेड मिल्क बटर फिर एग
ठीक
फिर
है.
ब्रेड
मिल्क
फिर
बटर.
मिल्क
ठीक
फिर
है.
बटर
कोई बात
ठीक
नहीं.
है
पहले का एक्सचेंज हो गया थोड़ा बस वो ठीक है. ठीक है. कस्टमर एंड प्रोडक्ट नेम. ओके.
ऑर्डर आईडी लिखनी है
प्रोडक्ट नेम
प्रोडक्ट नेम पास
कस्टमर.
वाला कस्टमर आईडी और उसके बाद ऑर्डर नेम ऑर्डर
ठीक
आईडी
है. ऑर्डर आईडी
ऑर्डर
और
आईडी के नीचे है 10
अच्छा 10
20
20 10
मैं बताता हूँ
20
10
30
20 30
40.
40 50 60 70 40 50 60 70
Fine. Okay. Now let's do a joining. Okay. So joining में अभी क्या होगा? कस्टमर आईडी एंड कस्टमर नेम, राइट? Entry Erin and Stanley. So once we are doing the joining, Okay, customer name.
customer ID,
Okay,
this is 1, 2,
Andrew,
3. अच्छा, Andrew, Erin,
Andrew, Erin,
Erin, and
हाँ,
Stanley, Stanley.
Stanley. Okay, fine. This is the first join. ठीक है?
Okay,
Okay. तो फर्स्ट ज्वाइन जो हमारा कस्टमर और ऑर्डर का हुआ है, राइट?
okay,
And when we are putting this condition on, okay, then what is happening is these people who bought bread, okay, then only these people will be taken, and this will be the output, and these three will be gone because he did not buy bread.
okay,
Okay,
okay.
okay, and then um, um, let's okay, and then in this one also we are just filtering the milk. So this customer will also stay because he bought the milk, and this will be also there. Okay, even after the milk. Okay, so in this there will be one more column that will be like okay, mm, and for that I'll just use the product name 2. Okay, this will be the table after the second join.
This will be table after the second job.
Okay, जब हमने milk use किया है, and then we are using the egg also. Okay, and this is like a left join. Okay.
Class have started, sir is beating.
Okay, okay. अभी just इसका कर देता हूँ. And इसमें क्या होगा कि इसमें यहाँ पे इन्हें बोल मांगा ना, तो ये null हो जाएगा. ठीक है, but ये multiply हो जाएगा. Understood? जैसे हमने एक बार किया था एक बार, तो ये मल्टीप्लाई होके आ जाएगा, बट यहाँ पे क्या है कि एग की वैल्यू मैच नहीं कर रही, so it will be null. Okay, and then वहाँ पे क्या
Robin, I think this is very complicated.
um,
There is a simpler solution.
हाँ, okay.
We can after in the next session we can discuss.
Yeah,
I have put
sure.
in the chart. I have put in the chart.
Okay, okay.
This is given by scalar in the hint.
Oh,
That is
okay,
a
okay.
simpler using group by.
रोबिन भाई इसको कॉपी करो ना.
हाँ, okay, okay, fine. Copy इसको.
नहीं इसको नहीं, ये जो इन्होंने चैट के अंदर आंसर दिया वो डिस्कस कर लेंगे.
हाँ, ये वाला है.
After the class maybe we can discuss. Yeah.
Right,
Now
right,
classes
yes.
start.
So we'll just pause it. We have solved 2 questions. Now we'll do it tomorrow then. Okay, fine. Okay then. Bye everyone. Yes,
Okay.
we'll
Thanks,
go
Robin.
to. Yeah, thanks.